In this video, I will show you how to order a Revolut card. So if you want to get a physical Revolut card ordered to your house, here is how you can actually do that. First, open up the Revolut app. And by the way, if you don't have an account yet, you can go and sign up through the link in the description. And then after you create or sign into your account, go and click on the card icon in the top right. From here, just go and click on Add New. It's the white button at the bottom. Now here, make sure that you set it to physical. Now here you can choose how your card looks. So they have the standard one right here, but they also have some more premium ones for which you will need to upgrade to their subscriptions. For example, Platinum, Metal Black, or even Premium. And they even have a 24K gold card that costs 80 euros. But for now, I'll just get the standard card, which will cost 6 euros. Now here you can even add your own design to the card, such as text or emojis, whatever you want. For example, I add this coffee mug, and then just go and click on preview. And then you can add this personalization. It will cost you 4 euros. So for example, I'll just click don't add. Now you can actually create the pin for your Revolut card, and then just go and click continue, then confirm the pin. Then here simply enter your delivery address, so where you want the card to be ordered to, and then click on continue and actually go and pay for the card itself and the delivery of the card. Now I think the first time that you order a physical card, it will be free. So now you know how to order a Revolut card. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.